I've got 10 o'clock, so I'll go ahead and call this meeting to order. This is a regular Commissioners Court meeting for County of Starr, Monday, July 27th. Let the record show that we do have quorum. Commissioner Pettis being absent. Want to welcome and thank everyone for being here this morning. If you would please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, any public comments?
There's none, Your Honor.
Okay, first item is the vendors list. Ms. Alanis?
Motion to approve.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Next item is claims. Ms. Alanis?
Motion to approve.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Okay, moving on to reports. We have the auditor's report.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Commissioners. I have my monthly report for June 30th, 2026. I'll start with page 1, reconciled cash in bank. Our general fund ended on June 30th with $7,489,236. Our road and bridge fund ended with $698,429. Our payroll clearing account ended with $93,058.
Ms. Alanis,
Yes, Judge.
can you go over those numbers? They don't match what I have here. The general fund, you said it was how much?
It was ending on June 30th with $7,400,000.
Okay, I got it.
Yes.
That's correct.
Okay. I'll move on to page 2. General fund revenues year-to-date collected $6,419,963. I'll move on to page 3 and 4. Our expenditures for general fund. Year-to-date expenditures for general fund, $15,877,179, with a total surplus of $2,592,830. And then I'll move on to page 5, the budget summary for road and bridge. Year-to-date revenues collected, $6,848,726. Year-to-date expenditures, $5,544,989, with a total surplus of $1,303,737. I'll move on to page 6. I have the budget summary for our enterprise funds. International Bridge, year-to-date revenues, $2,268,810. Total year-to-date expenditures, $2,166,997. Total surplus, $101,814. Gas system, year-to-date revenues, $715,153. Total expenditures, $676,683. Total surplus, $38,470. Our transfer station, year-to-date revenues collected, $423,256. Total expenditures, year-to-date, $696,084, with a total deficit of $272,828. Our debt service, year-to-date revenues collected, $1,459,244. Total expenditures year-to-date, $1,371,000, with a total surplus of $88,244. Last on my report is the debt summary. We have total debt outstanding of $20,921,591. And that would conclude my report. If there's any questions?
Any questions, comments?
All right, thank you.
Okay, moving on to item 7. It's the burn ban that we have in the county. I don't know if y'all want to extend it or
Motion to approve burn ban.
moved and second to approve. Discussion? Yes, we have. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Next item is, it's an action item, and this is to, this is the declaration of disaster for the New World screwworm. You know, I had gone ahead and signed a declaration of disaster, but this is only good for a certain period of time. Then it needs to come before the court for court approval, and that's what we're requesting right now.
Motion to approve, Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion? All in
Was
favor?
there another presentation on that, on the school one?
There was one in
There
Roma.
was one there, one in Rome.
Yeah, there was one in Roma. Yeah.
So that's
Yeah,
where we had it happen.
Yeah, it was called by a group that formed in Roma called the West Side Farmers or Ranchers, or they called it, and they had a presentation. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Item 9 is also an action item, and this is to approve an agreement between the U.S. Customs and Border Protection and the County of Starr, and I believe this is the bridge, the boat ramp. Yeah, this is the boat ramp that we had discussed a while back.
Motion to approve.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion? All in favor, please say aye. Opposed? Motion carries. Item 10 is a MOU with the Knights of Columbus and the County of Starr with moving for the purchasing of the Casey Hall.
Motion to approve, Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion? All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Item 11 is an action item, is to approve a resolution in support of the Starr County Behavioral Health Diversion Center Initiative. Ms. Ashley Gonzalez.
Good morning, Judge and Commissioners. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to speak today. My name is Ashley Gonzalez. I'm sorry, is this on? Can you hear me?
No, that's just for the camera.
Okay. I'm the owner of Beyond Borders Mental Health Center in Rio Grande City. I'm just here to introduce a proposed behavioral health center for Starr County, which is an initiative designed to provide individuals experiencing mental health crises with treatment instead of incarceration, while improving public safety, reducing strain on law enforcement and the jail system, and expanding access to much needed behavioral health services here in the community. So, that's
Okay.
it.
Yes, Miss Ashley Gonzalez approached me a while back on this initiative, and what this is to divert some of the people that need help for mental health. As it is right now, we're having problems with the border region not having enough beds, and then it's taking a tremendous amount of resources from the sheriff's office and from the county transporting these patients back and forth as far as San Antonio and even farther. And by having this diversion center here, then some of these patients could be placed here and not have to be transported out of the county. So it'd be a win-win for the patients and the family of the patients.
Right.
Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Motion to approve, Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion?
Thank
All
you.
in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed?
Thank you.
Motion carries. Thank you. Next item is, it's also an action item. And this is a request, a loan for the paving project, CDV 25-006. Ms. Rosie.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good
This is our contract for the Texas CDBG program that we're doing right now with the paving. This is on a reimbursement basis, this contract. We're in the beginning phases of advertising for the construction part of the contract. So I need a loan at least for the bills that we have accumulated to now to continue.
Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion? All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Next item is also from Ms. Salinas, and this is to also authorize for the home program for 2026, the TDHCA Housing and Community Affairs.
Correct, sir. Right now, we're working on the application for the home program for our new fiscal year 2026. We're planning to build, try to build as many as we can, maybe 10 homes. And the application is due August the 30th. So the only change in that is the match, the county match for each home went up from 15% to 25%, which is what usually the commissioners put in on each of the homes that they construct on their precinct.
That would be in kind where
Correct.
they go and they
Yes.
clean the area? And all?
Correct. And right now, Commissioner Garza has a home right now, and he's been okay. It just changed from 15 to 25,
You okay with that?
25%. Well, not this home, the new homes.
Oh, the new ones, okay.
Even though it went over the 15%.
Yes, the next homes, we're going to do 25% depending on the bid that comes in. That's going to be your part.
And it's going to be based on the same things.
Correct.
I mean, next time it's going to be precinct 1 and precinct 3, am I correct?
Correct. We're hoping that we can get applicants that have Commissioner Velasquez and Commissioner Peña in their area. We already applied and we have some. It's just that the requisition on it, they have to have the taxes paid, ownership, income. There's
The title.
the title
It's gonna go from 15,
to 25.
precinct 1, precinct to 25, but if we do anything on the land, that can. count
Yes,
as
the
our
demolish,
25%,
the cleaning, the
cleanup,
everything,
if we have to
everything.
put dirt,
Yes, and we
everything that
use.
have to do on them, that'll count for the 25%.
Correct.
Motion to
And,
approve, Your Honor.
perfect. Thank you.
Motion to approve. Is there a second? Second. Any further discussion? All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Item 14 is also an action item, is to approve a permit from Frontier Communications to place fiber. And this consists of 185 feet and bore and 30 by hand. I don't know
Oh,
in
is
what
it Las
area.
Calles?
Monday?
Doesn't say the streets.
Yeah, it didn't say.
I was going to ask for the first.
Where this gonna be? I think we
Ro-
should table it,
yeah.
or, let's go
Yeah.
ahead and table it, yeah.
Okay.
Motion to table for next meeting,
Moved and second to table.
as long as they just tell us which streets, Ms. Guerra, the person not do it. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
All in favor of tabling, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Item 15 is an action item, is to approve a right-of-way permit application submitted by the city of Gruya to replace an 8-inch water line located in Starr County right-of-way on 2nd and to Mike's 15th Street. I believe this has already been reviewed and approved by our county attorney. Mr. Montalvo, you've had an opportunity to look at this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Motion to approve, Your Honor. Second.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Items 17 through 30 are budget amendments. Solis.
Motion to approve, Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion. All in favor, please, aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. It is now 10:15 and pursuant to section 551.074, we will go into executive session for possible action on order of salaries. We'll be out shortly. I've got 11:06, and we're back in open session. Only item we had was executive session, and the only thing we had was the order of salaries.
Motion to approve, Your Honor.
Moved and second to approve. Discussion. All in favor, please, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Is there a motion to adjourn?
Motion to adjourn.
Moved and second. All in favor, please, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Thank you, gentlemen.